I'll be picking some pepper from my garden. So here's my peppers. So I'm gonna pick them. I'm gonna put them in a jar and preserve them after. This pepper is very good for person who have diabetes. You can use them in a meal. They call them bird pepper. A lot on the tree. I'm trying to pick most of them right now. There's a lot on the tree. So when I preserve them, they won't spoil, so I have pepper to use all the time. So that's why I should pick them from the other day, but I didn't get the chance, so I decided to pick them. But still I see a lot on it. I thought they'd drop off, but see that they don't drop so easily. Or maybe drop, but a lot is on the tree right now. I didn't expect to see so much, because I just remember that I saw them and I was planning to pick them, but I didn't, so busy, so I didn't get the chance to pick them. There's another tree that I saw some on, so after I pick from this tree, I'm gonna go to that tree also. So I finished pick most of them that I saw. So this is the amount I picked from one tree, and I'm going to the other tree now. Okay. So here's the other tree. Quite a few on it too. Yes, I'm gonna pick these now. There's plenty on it. As simple as see it, is a lot on it to pick. Yeah, fit some is ripening. Yeah. Sometimes you really need some pepper and you can't find any, so whenever you saw them, you have to make good use of them, because sometimes there's no pepper. So this is why I'm gonna preserve these, that I have pepper all the time. I don't love my meal so peppery, but sometimes you need pepper in your meal. Yeah. So preserving your pepper is very important, that you can have pepper all the time. So still plenty leaf to pick. Although it looks like it's not a lot on it, but still plenty leaf to pick. So I pick all of them, and this is the amount that I get, almost full. Get plenty. This is a good amount. Okay. So I'm gonna pick off the stem of the pepper. I'm gonna pick it off like this. So I wash them with some water. I'm gonna strain off the water. So I'm gonna bottle it in this bottle. So I'm gonna add some vinegar. So here's my vinegar. So I'm gonna add some vinegar to it. I'm gonna pour that it cover the pepper. So that is enough. The pepper is covered. So I'm gonna close and put it up. So whenever I need some pepper to use, I can use my pepper. Okay. So this is my cover. So this can stay for a long time in this bottle and it preserves and nothing is wrong with it. As long as the vinegar is inside of it, it is good. Okay, so whenever I'm cooking, I can use my pepper from this bottle. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.